Hey everybody, welcome to TradeScope. My name is Luis Garcia. I'm a part-time trader, and this is my weekly recap where I talk about all the stocks that I'm trading. Before I get started, I have to let you know that this video is for educational purposes only and is not meant to be taken as financial advice. With that, let's get started. So I finally made it out of SYM this week. I'm very thankful for this profit. It was a long time coming. I have the chart up here. So I got into it all the way back around, let me get the doodle pen out here for a second. I got into it all the way back here. Whoops. And finally got out of it last week. So pretty much since, November of last year, I think. Yep, sounds about right. So a solid 8-month hold, right? December, just about. And so let me explain my exit and kind of why I've been watching it the past few weeks. So as you can see, it's had this long downtrend that I've been following all the way back from 2023. And it finally seems to have broken out of that. So because of that, I have been watching it the past few weeks for a good exit. Now, it didn't get rejected at 40, and that was the last time. That was basically at my entry. I was expecting the breakout then. That didn't happen. So it basically made its way all the way up to $38.18. I believe I had an automatic sell order at around $37.89. So my entry was $29.89, so $8 profit with 300 shares, so about $2,400 profit in total. Again, very happy with this. Puts me up on the quarter, which is good as the quarter's coming to an end because I haven't had much time to trade momentum stocks this quarter, and so I'm really relying on my longer term holds to kind of pay out as the quarter comes to an end. So I really needed this one. Really happy with it. Could go higher if anybody's still looking at it, but it did have this pretty solid sell off after the first day it broke out. Take a look at the news real quick just to see what types of catalysts it has. It looks like they've just been continuing to reorganize their executive structure. So Symbotic names Izzy Martins as next CFO. That was 12 days ago. And they also announced a few other ones, I think. This was a while ago. I don't even know if they still have it in my news feed. They don't, but a while ago they had a new board member added or a new director added. I forgot what it was. Either way, they're really riding on this big deal they got from Walmart. So again, if you're still following them, I expect more price action to follow as more news comes about on this one. So I might be watching it for further breaks, but for now I'm just glad to be out of it. As far as my entire portfolio goes, I'm trying to stay in a defensive position, so not really looking to take any more positions right now. But again, I'm really happy with my profit on this one. So that's Symbotic. I also wanted to talk a little bit about INTZ today. So INTZ has been on this interesting ride. Doesn't really have, how do I put this? Doesn't have a good trend for me to look at in the short term. This is basically my entry right here, this blue line. I think it's a little less now actually because I averaged in a little bit, so I'm holding I think 2,000 shares at $4.16 or something like that. So as you can see, way off, down quite a bit on it, but I'm holding it mostly because it's been keeping its price targets and its its weightings from the analysts that are weighing in on it. See if I could find some more about it. Nothing really big other than last month they got this price target. This news piece came out. So price target raised to $11 per share from $10 by Ascendient Capital, and they maintained it at a buy. So that's really, I think, been the catalyst it's been slowly riding. It did make it to a high of $2.58, and this was when was this? Back on the 10th. So looking for it to break back over that. You can kind of see it's meandering in the slightly oversold territory. There was a bit of a breakout on the 5th, but so far hasn't had a ton of volume, but it does look good from like a bull flag perspective, right? You have this nice upward, comes down, retests the low, and then it starts to break out again. So this is kind of the type of movement I'm looking at, is a break higher up, maybe toward $253. Again, I'm not planning on averaging down into this one anymore because I'm already 2,000 deep. I don't know if I really want to take any more risk on this one. I'd rather just ride it out. I'm thinking, yeah, if it can get back above 4 maybe. Oops, that's not 4. If it can get back above 4, somewhere over here, then I might be interested in taking a profit. But yeah, that's kind of something on my radar because I've been watching it the past few weeks as it's creeping back up, curling back up. Momentum seems to be slowly, steadily rising. So something just keeping my eye on. Anyways, yeah, so that's everything I've been trading. Let me know what you guys have been trading down in the comments. Let me know if you like this video. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks, guys. Talk to you next week.